every rider has an introvert side in them. Pero ako, I think I'm extrovert din. I enjoy company. Pero meron akong introvert side eh. So when I'm on my bell helmets and I'm listening to music, wala akong naririnig na, I just go into this zone of riding like a flow state. And parang mas safe ako. Actually, believe it or not, nung nagpunta nga ako ng Takadang, balikan ako from Taytay kasi may meeting ako, nag-side trip ako doon. Nakalimutan ko mag-air down. Kasi I was in that flow state. And then, it just connects you to that inner self mo. And sa akin, I think I just connect with nature and ultimately with God. So, yun yung advantage ng you're gonna enjoy it, alam mo yun. Pangalawa, nandun sa wala kang iniisip na iba. Hindi yung tipong, baka ang tagal kong umihi, baka ang tagal kong in-enjoy tong... Kasi iba-iba tayo eh. You might like this nature, you might like this restaurant, fast food, or whatever. So, kinoconsider mo yung iba. Pero iba-iba kasi tayo. So, eto, wala kang iniisip na gusto kaya niya to, or tama ba yung speed ko, masyado ba akong... Kasi yun ang tama eh. You have to consider others. Ako, when I lead a group, linalagay ko behind me yung pinaka-less experienced and skilled sa lahat ng mga riders para mabantayan namin sila. Hindi yung iiwanan namin. And habol ka na lang, kita na lang tayo dito. Hindi ganun yung yun. So, kapag ako mag-isa, believe it or not, umalis ako rito sa bahay before 5. Nandun na ako sa 5 cuts yun eh. And U-turn ako after all the cuts. Hindi na ako pumunta ng elementary school. And then I stayed dun sa highest point just to enjoy nature. Siguro mga 11:40. Ang bilis ano? Kasi yun nga, flow state. You know, I was just alone and ang ganda ng biyahe, walang traffic. Ibang iniisip, kundi just on your own pace, riding in your own. Yun yung solo. Pangatlo, na I think kung advantage ng solo riding is you get to, yung fulfillment kasi. When you're with a group, alam mo yon, parang you're safe in a sense na it's either pag naplatang ka, may marunong mag-vulcanize doon, or pag nagutom ka, siguro may baon sila. Iba yung solo ka na pag na round trip mo, halimbawa ako, yung to Takadang, parang siguro mga less than 700 kilometers yun, balikan in a day. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. You kind of like achieved something na will carry you on and then, ano siya eh, a core memory.